Fund, TIFT has emerged as a catalyst for reform and a vital bridge between policy, intent, and on-ground grounding and execution. It works closely with lead knowledge institutions to identify Tripura's core strengths, set realistic targets, and develop sectoral roadmaps. Our collaboration with the Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta, already my previous speaker already mentioned, then with Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata, National Law University, Agartala, all of them have significantly strengthened our capacity for evidence-based policymaking, monitoring, and evaluation. Over the last 2 years, TIFT has played a critical role in addressing key governance challenges. The Chief Minister's War Room we have already established within the TIFT reforms enables real-time monitoring of major projects, schemes, and program implementation. TIFT has also been hand-holding government departments in policy formulations and business reforms. Notably, it has contributed to the adoption of the Tripura record retention and disposal policy, asset management policy, Tripura industrial policy 2024, then Tripura logistic policy, and Tripura pharma policy, so on. Through a comprehensive skill gap analysis, TIFT has enabled more effective implementation of Pradhan Mantri Kushal Yojana and Mukhyamantri Dakshata Unnayan Prakalpa. We are in the process of establishing an international skill center and a foreign language school, opening global employment opportunities for our youth, because our youth, they used to go to outside, and if they have this knowledge of this foreign language, so they get the easy to go over there and to communicate. Recognizing that good governance requires modern tools for service delivery, then infrastructure creation, the state government has established a public-private partnership, that is PPP cell, within the good governance department. And this cell facilitates private investment while optimally sharing risk with the government. So at present, TIFT is working with the departments on 29 potential PPP projects. One of TIFT's most transformative initiative is the District Good Governance Index, which will for the first time objectively assess governance performance across district using sector-wise indicators. These include public health, education, then human development, infrastructure and utilities, social welfare, financial inclusion, and citizen-centric governance in each district. Innovation remains central to our government approach. In collaboration with IIM, Calcutta's Innovation Park, TIFT organized a design thinking workshop that contributed to the formulation of Tripura startup policy. Tripura's reform momentum has translated into tangible national outcome, securing first rank in the country in deregulation and compliance reduction is a matter of great pride, which my previous speaker, our respected Chief Secretary Mohoday already had mentioned. The collaboration between TIFT and National Law University, Tripura, played a pivotal role in shaping the Jan Vishwas Act 2025, which significantly simplified the regulatory framework. The Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji graciously appreciated Tripura's reform efforts during my interaction with him when I went to Delhi and met him. Our business reform strategy was shared with all states at the 5th Chief Secretaries Conference in December 2025.